In this video, we're going to learn about halves, thirds, and fourths. So if we have a problem like this that says which figure shows fourths, and we have two pizzas here. This one looks like it's cut into 3 pieces. This looks like it's cut into 4 pieces. So the first thing we need to understand is, what does halves, thirds, and fourths mean? So what it means is, when we take one whole and we cut it up into 2 exact equal parts, that's what halves means. It's been cut into half. Then for thirds, the whole has been cut up into 3 exact equal parts. And for fourths, it means that the whole has been cut up into 4 exact equal parts. So this pizza looks to me like it has been cut up into 4 exact equal parts. We can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fourths. This is thirds, which is not what the question is asking. So we can cross that one out. And we know that this is the right answer for fourths. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. Practice makes improvement. And there's links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this if you need extra practice. And make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.